Hey guys, Greg here, Underground Graphics. Today we're going to show you the red R overlays for your TRX. If you've got your OEM graphics, these are going to be a perfect fit for that. We've got that template done now, and while we don't have the full set, we can sell you the red Rs. This has become popular. I believe they've got a new version coming out, Tyrant or some modified TRXs. That this is a very, very popular mod. So again, that red R over your bedsides. We're going to send you 2 of those, and then that one for that tailgate emblem. So yeah, let's get started. So make sure you clean this down first. We have already done that. We like to use that 30% alcohol, 70% water mix. Just wipe it down. Make sure there's no dirt or any mud or anything on there. Same for that. Same thing for that back emblem. There's not a whole lot of tack for that to stick to, so you want to make sure that's really clean. And what I want to show you up close was these are going to be cut to fit right inside those letters. So again, your outside edge of this is basically going to be the inside of that X, the inside of that T. So we're going to want to place that right in there. I don't think I've grabbed any tape. Essentially what you're going to do, this is a little bit easier to tape, but we can tape top, tape bottom, flip that over, cut the back, do one side at a time, or you can do what I'm about to do. And we will provide you with a little small squeegee. It won't be this large one here, but it'll work just as well. So again, find that spot. And again, you can kind of see where that, you can kind of see where that's going to lay. It's going to go right on top of that. So actually, we're not going to go on top of this. I'm going to pull this off, but I want to show you how that's going to lay. That is exactly the same size as that. So let's go ahead and peel this one off. This one you may, again, with your factory one, you may need to, this has already been heated. So again, this is going to come off really easy. But you may need to get a bit of adhesive remover. If you want to go over it, you can. We would suggest taking that one off. And we come right back. We'll line that up again. And again, this is that wrap vinyl that we love so much. So you don't need to float this in place. It's not going to be a wet install. Once this is down, it's down. Nothing else you need to do. Guys, it is really that easy. Let me show you that rear one. And then the same thing for that rear. This is small enough. We're just going to do what we call the peel and stick. This is a kind of a semi-transparent clear mask, so you do want to kind of make sure we've got that where you want it. Once that's tacked, you have to watch that corner coming off. But again, that is a direct fit right over that R. The flat surface of that badge is where you're going to hit that R on. Very cool stuff. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a shout, undergroundgraphics.com, email, comment, and of course, feel free to call direct. I'm always here. Thank you.